Chapter 4. The number 10. In the second chapter, we have learnt about counting numbers from 1 to 9. Can you count the number of fingers that you have in both your hands? Let's start counting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yeah, you have 10 fingers in your hands. The number 1 followed by a 0 together make the number 10. Now, let's look at what Priya has to say about her fingers.
I have 10 little fingers. They all belong to me. I can make them do things. Would you like to see? I can open them wide. I can close them tight. Keep them together or put them out of sight.
Can you now count the number of pencils in your pencil box?